Hi, good morning, grade 12 student. This is our fifth lesson on ionic equilibrium. Today we are going to start calculation part. First, we divide calculation into two more parts. First one, how to calculate Kw, pH, pOH, Ka, dissociation constant of acid, pKa, pKb and Kb, concentration of hydrogen ion. Here Kb dissociation constant of base and OH concentration of hydroxide ion. In second part, we have to find out the pH for strong acid, strong base, weak acid and weak base. Look here, some formulas are given. The first one for strong acid, pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion. If you need concentration of hydrogen, just rearrange in this way. Second point, for strong base, how to calculate pH for strong base? You can use this rule. pOH is equal to negative log of hydroxide ion. If hydroxide ion concentration given, you can find out pOH. If you need pOH and concentration of hydroxides given to you, so it's easy for you. Now rearrange this rule in this shape. If you want to find out the concentration of hydroxide ion, the pOH given to you, then you can use this rule to find out concentration of hydroxide ion. Now, if you can use also this rule, I told you in part 3 how to get this rule. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. If pH given, you can find out pOH. If pOH given, you can find pH to rearrange this rule. Second, here acid base calculation, some rules are given to you. Please follow these all rules. How to find out Kw? If concentration of hydrogen ion and concentration of hydroxide ions given to you, you can find the value of Kw and take negative log of hydroxide ion, you will get pOH. And if you need to calculate pKw, then take negative log of Kw is equal to 14. That's why written there 14 here. You can see that's why written here 14. So this is another rule. pH plus pOH is equal to 14. This is your third rule. And this information already I explained you. You can compare. Come on here, how to calculate pH of strong acid and base. These rule I already explained you. Please follow this rule for calculation. Next, I will give you two example how to calculate. Here also there is another part. How do we calculate pH of acid and base? Determine strong or weak. If strong acid, already I told you which rule you are going to use. If weak acid, then you can use this rule. Concentration of hydrogen ion or hydronium ion is equal to square root of Ka. If value of Ka is given to you and concentration of acid given to you, substitute this value here, you will get hydrogen ion concentration, and then take negative log of hydrogen ion, you will get pH. Similar like this, you can find out for weak base, same rule for pOH. Now, next we have some here comparison between acid and base, and these rules already I told you how to get pH for strong acid, how to get pH for strong base. So please just read these rules and follow next calculation, next part of our calculation. Look at here, the questions and answers also given. Our first part, I divide this calculation into different part A, B, C, D. Now the part A, calculating pH and pOH. Here solve the examples given to you, and this is very simple. Just follow the rule. Look at first one. What is the pH of a 0.0235 molar hydrochloric acid solution? It means concentration of HNs is given to you. Just substitute here value and you will get pH. This for strong acid. Now the second example for pOH, it's mean for base. Here also concentrations given to you mean hydrogen ions given to you. First you calculate pH from this calculation and then substitute in the above rule pH plus VOH is equal to 14. So we know the pH value, so substitute here 1.629 kW, we know its value 14, so 14 minus 1.629 you will get 12.371 its pOH for base. Other examples I gave here 3, 4 and 4 are in the 2 parts. How to calculate, how to rearrange, please practice these rules and how to calculate because solutions given to you. Now the second part be calculation about Ka and pKa. How to calculate Ka and how to calculate pKa. Rules already in part 3, you can go through from those rules. Here one example given to you, calculate the value of Ka for methanoic acid. The solution of 0.010 molar, or you can call mole per dm cube, methanoic acid is given to you, has a pH is 2.9. Look at here, first concentration of hydrogen ions given to you. So you follow these steps please. For step 1, convert pH to H plus ion. So you know pH given 2.90, take NT log of this, you will get the concentration of hydrogen ion. Second, in step 2, write the acid dissociation constant expression. So Ka is equal to product over reactant, product over hydrogen ion and reactant over methanoic acid. Substitute the value because both values given to you in step 3. 1.26 10 raised to power minus 3 take square because here H plus square and divided by the concentration of methanoic acid given in questions, then you will get the answer of Ka and its unit mole per dm cube. Here some exercise questions given. Please same factors for Ka and pKa. Part A for Ka, here part B, calculate pKa value for each of acid in part A. Mean part A is given above. Here see, this one over part A, you will get from here the value of Ka and then substitute this value in part B to get the pKa. Solutions given, please check this one, how to calculate. Look at here, pK is equal to negative log of Ka. Ka value we get in step number 1 this one, step 2 this one and step 3 this one. So we easy for us to calculate pKa from Ka. Now part C, calculation of Kb and pKb. This similar like Ka and pKa. Rules, look at here, finding Kb for base. How to calculate Kb, product over reactant, same. Look at here, product over reactant. If value is given, substitute the value, you will get Kb. Similar like above in part B, you calculate for Ka. And how to get pKb, same like pKa. Take log of Kb, you will get pKb. So here part D, pH of strong acid and base. As I told you above, here again I repeat these rules. How to calculate pH for strong acid, use this rule. How to calculate pH for strong base, you can use this rule. pOH is equal to negative log of hydroxide ion. So the very simple we did in part A. You can see even I wrote see part A for strong acid and strong base. Here some questions given. Please practice this question how to calculate. Part E, pH of weak acid and then we will calculate part F, pH of weak base. And this one is very important. Please pay attention here how to calculate pH of weak acid. Here some rules, please follow the rules, then easy calculation for you. Calculating the pH of weak acid. First, the pH or hydrogen ion values of weak acid can be calculated if provided with the concentration of acid and the value of Ka. It's mean these two factors is given, you can calculate easily. Look at the questions. First one example, calculate the pH of 0.100 mole per dm cube of ethanoic acid and Ka value given. It's mean to calculate the pH, we are going to calculate pH, concentration given to you and Ka values is given to you. Your step 1, write the equation and Ka expression, hydrogen ion concentration given here, because you know these two are same 1:1 ratio, so you can take it square over concentration of acid mean ethanoic acid. Step 2, enter the value into the expression, substitute the value. We know Ka value given in questions here. Hydrogen ion we are going to find out. Concentration of acid is given, substitute here, rearrange this. In step 3, rearrange, take out this one. We are going to find concentration of hydrogen ion in step 3. Just cross multiply Ka with concentration of acids. So you will get here 1.74 power minus 6. Now, in step 3 you calculate the hydrogen ion. In step 4 now take the square root, because we are going to finish square here at hydrogen ion square. So take both sides square root, you will get the concentration. Then substitute in this rule, pH is equal to negative log of hydrogen ion, and you will get the value 2.88. So pH of weak acids you will calculate in this way. It's very simple, but please follow these steps. After you will get easily pH value. Now the last part for this, F, pH of weak base. Look at here. This question is given, what is the pH of 1.50 molar solution of ammonia? Ammonia is the weak base, and Kb also given. Here same thing, concentration of ammonia and Kb given, you need the pH. Same like above questions. Please step 1, write the equation. Step 2, write the expression for Kb, then substitute the value. In step 3, look at, because it's weak, then write the initial concentration is 1.50 molar for ammonia, and initially there is no change. Then after some time you will get some concentration of ammonia converted into ammonium ion and hydroxide ion. That's why we write here negative X. X mean amount of concentration and negative mean decrease in concentration in ammonia. Here we write X and S, but with positive sign. It's mean addition. Mean we want to convert concentration from reactant into product. Then equilibrium, when reaction get balanced stage, so you can initial minus change. Initial minus change. 1.50 molar minus X, and here 0 plus X, 0 plus X, you will get X. Now this equilibrium step expression even written here, substitute in Kb expressions, X into X mean product over reactant, and Kb value given to you. Again simplify this, taking X square over the product concentration is equal to 1.8 and raised to the power minus 5. Here you can use the quadratic equation that can be solved by using the quadratic formula, and you will get the value of X. Here value of X is 5.2 power minus 3 molar. Then substitute this value in step 4. Over step 4, how to get pOH. So for pOH we need concentration of OH minus. So from where we will get this concentration of OH minus? From step 3. In step 3 we calculate the value of X. You know X is equal to OH minus. So